Physical nature of matter. Matter is made up of particles. To understand this, how about doing an activity? So, take a 100 ml beaker, fill half the beaker with water and mark the level of water. Now dissolve some sugar with the help of a glass rod. Do you observe any change in water level? Of course, yes. The level of water increases when we dissolve sugar in water, that the particles of sugar get into the spaces between the particles of water. How small are these particles of matter? Let us perform an activity in order to understand this well. So the activity is, take 5 to 6 crystals of potassium permanganate and dissolve them in 100 milliliters of water. Take out approximately 10 milliliters of this solution and put it into 90 milliliters of clear water. Now take out 10 milliliters of this solution and put it into another 90 milliliters of clear water. So keep diluting the solution like this 3 to 4 times. Is the water still colored? So what this experiment shows is that just a few crystals of potassium permanganate can color a large volume of water. So we conclude that there must be millions of tiny particles in just one crystal of potassium permanganate, which keeps on dividing themselves into smaller and smaller particles. Is it not so?
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें। ऐसे ही और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल होम रिवाइज को सब्सक्राइब करें।
Characteristics of particles of matter. Particles of matter have space between them. In the previous activity, we have seen that when sugar is added to water, it dissolves and the particles of sugar occupy the space between the particles of water. This shows that water particles had a space between them to accommodate the particles of sugar. Particles of matter are continuously moving. Activity: drop a crystal of potassium permanganate into a glass of hot water and another which contains cold water. I know it's tempting, but please do not stir the solution. Allow the crystals to settle at the bottom. Now what happens as the time passes? Tick-tock, tick-tock. As the time passes, particles of matter intermix on their own with each other. Very friendly they are, aren't they? Well, they do so by getting into the spaces between the particles. This intermixing of particles of two different types of matter on their own is called diffusion. Now, does the rate of mixing change with temperature? Why and how? We observe that with increase in temperature, the kinetic energy of the particles also increases. We also observe that on heating, diffusion becomes faster. Particles of matter attract each other. Take an iron nail and a piece of chalk. Try breaking them by hammering them. Now, in which of the above two substances do you think the particles are held together with greater force? We observe that on hammering, chalk broke into pieces, but iron did not. This indicates that the particles in iron nail are held together with greater force. Is it not so? Thus, particles of matter have force acting between them. This force keeps the particles together. The strength of this force of attraction varies from one kind of matter to another.
अगर आपको इस चैप्टर का कंप्लीट वीडियो देखना है तो होम रिवाइज स्टडी ऐप अभी डाउनलोड करें।